How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's workshop. Well, the sun is out again this morning, so I thought what I should do, put the rake on the tractor and rake up what I graded the other day. So let's go do some landscape raking. Okay, so we're finished the raking. I think what I'll do now, since it's still early in the day, I'm going to put the drag on behind the lawn tractor, and we're going to go around with the drag and just sort of smooth everything, level everything off, all the little bumps and ridges and ripples left from the landscape rake. Alright, so we raked the lane with the landscape rake, and then like always happens when you finish one job, like I graded it, then I figured, well, I should rake it. Well, then once I raked it, it leaves some windrows and little ripples here and there, so I thought, geez, now I gotta drag it. So I have a drag that I put behind the lawn tractor, so I hooked that drag on and I dragged it too. So that's what we were up to today. We were raking and dragging the landing, and it didn't turn out too bad. And one thing I'd like to say too about the especially the rake, the landscape rake. Here's a tip for you. I got this tip from Dave Knows How. He's got a good channel, Dave Knows How. But if you notice the top link on my rake, it's not fixed solid to the tractor. I have it so that the rake can sort of follow the grade and move up and down. Dave gave me that tip from Dave Knows How, and I put a length of chain in there and just connect the chain from the tractor to where you hook onto the top link on the rake. That way the tractor drags the rake along, but the rake is free to move up and down, follow the contour of the land. What I found before I did that, when it was connected solid, a fixed top link, as the tractor was moving around, it was moving up and down from front to back. So as I'm grading along, I'd go over a bump, and when the front wheels go up, of course the back goes down, so the rake would dig in, and then it would come over the bump, and then the rake would jump up and dump out all its load. So I'd end up with like almost waves in the lane. And the more I went over that, the worse it got, because it just kept amplifying this wave motion. And it was like that until I put the flex link on the top of the rake. So now as the tractor moves up and down, well, the flex link just sort of flexes and the rake stays flat, and made a big difference in being able to rake and grade off level. Anyway, good tip for you for doing any kind of back dragging with your tractor and your implements. Put a flexed link in. That's hard to say. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. It's some nice that you all tune in. Appreciate the watches and the likes and the comments. So keep them coming. It's just humbling as anything. I just can't explain how humbling it is and how much I appreciate all your support out there. I've reached 600 subs now. That's amazing. I never ever thought I'd get that far. And but it's not all about the subs. It's about the interaction that I have, and I get that interaction through the comments. So, keep the comments coming. In the meantime, folks, stay safe, stay healthy, wash your hands, and enjoy this nice summer weather that we're starting to get now. We'll talk to you.